back, shoulders, and depends which day I do on legs.
Yeah, you catch eye contact and then you stop here. Language, you lean it back, you own this wall, which I really like. She has lower valve. Approach women from that side where there's no at back. Where it happened?
I think on street when we
When you crossed this?
Yeah.
Okay, when it left like 10 meters, I stopped to run because in order to not scare her, that's really important. This is a few dance steps. Give me your hands. To sit down because you're dressed really well. Your body language is good. It's like, look, if a female like 10 point would approach your table and say, "Can I sit down?" You would say no. Then we would say yes. So that's why it's happening. She has a boyfriend, and she says me, "Yes, sit down." So see, my stories nowadays, my stories with videos and with photos. So it's like bigger power, you know. And there's no, we are not on our customer list. We didn't buy, you know, products like you bought. And even we do not show respect to them. We want a training, we want an instant gratification, we want an instant success. You cannot get instant success, you need preparation, that's why we're saying you buy all our products when you build a relationship with us, because you understand what our training is about. Once you came here, you don't need to talk at all, actually, because you understand from a half a word what it's about. Those trainings.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
so
and you remember how there was actually alpha mindset.
Exactly. So it's so amazing to work with you. Help your face. So it's so amazing to work with you, and our guys, we wanna, you know, come. I don't know them. They didn't read my book. We didn't watch my products, and we wanna get training. It cannot work like this. We train men who already bought all our products, and we at least invested 1 month watching them. Of course, we assume that it's really hard to watch all our products, read all our book, but we want that you will spend at least 1 month carefully reading our book, watching our products.